my name is Taya, and here's some simple steps to make you have a friend. Step 1. Ask them if they want to play with you. Step 2. Always be kind to your friend. If you don't be kind, then what if you say, well, like, can you buy this snack for me? And then that's kind of rude. And then they might not want to be your friend again. Step 3. Don't do anything crazy, because if you do something crazy, it could probably whack them in the face and they might not be your friend. Step 4. Let them play what they want to play. Because if you say this, I want them to play this, and they don't want them to play that game, and you force them, that they might not want to be your friend. Like and subscribe, please.